Hell yeah, dude. We're all gassed up. Pilot light's going. Shut that little puppy. She's on the bottle, mate. She's on the gas. And at the moment we're running sort of -2. Showing us pretty much a full, close to a full bottle of gas. And there's the pickup for the temperature. Just cold water in there at the moment. But yeah, good little thing, Marco O'Malley. It'll work well for us, mate, down there. Cutting board on top. Nice little cutting board. Bloody beautiful. Should drop down to about a -4, I'd say. There we go. The gas bottle set up.